When it comes to editing your photos, you want to make sure that you are maintaining a consistent brand and a consistent filter throughout your entire feed. I like to call this a recipe for your photos. So I recommend jumping always onto PicTap Go and using the same recipe every time that I'm editing a photo, or maybe you're purchasing a preset to use in Lightroom. Either way, you really want to make sure that all of your photos have the same color scheme throughout your entire profile. This is so important so that people know exactly when you're posting. It's almost like a signature filter for you. So you want to decide how is that going to look, and you want to make sure that you're sticking to that recipe with every picture that you're posting.